Okay, I just got done building my chop saw station. I don't need my chop saw to be mobile, so I dedicated this station to it. You can see I built it up so that it was nice and level going across here. Well, just as soon as that happened, my chop saw broke. Now let me show you. See if I can get this off without shaking her too much. Now this chop saw, it's old. This is one of the first power tools I ever had. You can see, I think you can, with focus, it was a Task Force, which is a bottom shelf brand, but this thing has served me well over the years. Unfortunately, just recently I broke the insert. You can see here the insert broke out. I could not find a replacement, and I know I could have probably made one, but you know, this thing is over 10 years old, so I'm thinking maybe it might be time for an upgrade. So I went online and found a Dewalt DeWalt 12-inch single bevel compound miter saw, DW715. I think I got a good deal on it. We are Amazon Prime members, so I had free shipping. They sent it to me in 2 days, and it was $30 cheaper than any of the local box stores, Lowe's, Home Depot. So let's get this baby unboxed. This miter saw represents my very first upgrade. I showed you a little bit ago about how my old one got broke, and rather than try to fix it, I thought it was time for an upgrade. And I think I did pretty good with the upgrade. We'll see. This also happens to be the second DeWalt power tool I've got. I showed you my table saw, which has been working wonderfully for me. I'm hoping to get many, many good years of service and use out of this DeWalt. All right. Come on, I'm going to put it on the floor and lift it out. There we go. Now, of course, it is a lot wider. I don't think the depth's going to be a problem, but I'm going to have to redo my whole chop saw station over there, but you know. Oh well. Alright. Nothing in my bag here. Now. There it is. There's the blade wrench. Oh, that's the bag, which I'm not going to use. I'll hook it up to my wonderful dust collection system, which I've showed you guys. This is the part I was looking for. This is the part that you use to change the blade with, and it fits right in here like this. So it's never lost. This bag will never be used, and I don't know if I really need to peruse the book. It all seems pretty self-explanatory. I might need it when I go to change the blade, make sure I'm doing the procedure properly. But there you go. There's my Brand new chop saw. "12" so I should be able to cut a 4x4, which I've never had the ability to do before this. I believe it says it'll cut almost up to 9 inches, so I can cut a 2x6, which then my other one would not do. So, and I didn't need a sliding one because with all the other saws I got with the table saw and that, I said I don't need a sliding one, so this is the one I bought. I like it.